Katie Price has given her Instagram fans a close-up look at her new sleeve tattoo from her Thailand getaway. The 43-year-old now has both her forearms fully inked after the sun-soaked holiday with ex-Carl Woods. 4. Katie Price shared a look at her new sleeve tattoo on Instagram. Credit, Katie Price. 4. Katie covered up tributes to ex-Carl Woods and her kidsCredit, Katie Price. In a video flogging her latest bath bomb range, Katie's new floral tattoo could be seen as the sleeve of her silk Louis Vuitton shirt slipped down her arm. A large flower gave way to thick black ink closer to her wrist, covering up a host of designs including tributes to her children and Carl. Prior to the new inking on her right arm, Katie had her and Carl's joint nickname Pricey Woods and a charm bracelet with the initial of each of her 5 children etched into her skin. The new artwork also covers an inking of Carl's name which dangled underneath a bracelet. Flowers and a crown now take pride of place on her limb that used to house the name of her ex-husband Peter Andre. It once said Pete surrounded by hearts but was then crossed out and later covered with a picture of a rose after the split. Her other sleeve tattoo, the first of the 2 done in Thailand, covers her left forearm in flowers in what is thought to be a tribute to her terminally ill mum Amy. Newly single Carl was also inked on the trip. Above a snarling image of Batman's foe the Joker is written the villain's iconic catchphrase "Why so serious?" Katie's other tattoos include a large picture of Carl's face to match the one he has of her. The star's latest designs came after she revealed her large new boobs in a series of eye-popping pictures. They are reminiscent of the implants she had during her Jordan heyday, but not everyone is a fan. Her good pal Kerry Katona admitted they aren't her cup of tea in a magazine column. 4. Katie winced as she got her tattoo in Thailand. Credit, YouTube. 4. Katie and Carl recently split after she tried messaging ex Chris Boys in Credit, PA.